How to use Calm app or website for daily meditation reminders here on the Calm website, like stress less, sleep more, or live mindfully. This is how you can simply customize your package or get audiobooks or many things regarding your sleep. So you can simply make your schedule better. You can set various reminders within your Calm app to notify yourself each day at a specific time to help you build mindfulness habit. Now, this is how you can do it. Some of the reminder options currently are available are mindfulness, gratitude, bedtime, and mood check-in. These are the timestamp that you have to perform daily in order to get your mental peace. You can access reminders in the app by first tapping on the profile on home screen, then tapping on the gear icon in the top left corner to access your setting. Next, tap on notification. Choose which reminder notification you would like to set. You can choose what time you would like to receive the reminders as well as which days of the week you would like to receive them. This is how you can do it. That's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching this video.